Mr. Mush here. So, for our craft project today, we're gonna make puppets out of construction paper of a moose, a polar bear, and an Arctic fox. All right, so what you're gonna need today is construction paper, googly eyes, glue, popsicle sticks, maybe a crown, like a black crown, pencils and erasers, and scissors. All right, so let's get to it. So I'm gonna show you how to draw each animal, and but I'm gonna draw with a black crayon. And the reason why I'm gonna draw with a black crayon is so that you can see better. I want you to draw with a pencil because pencils have erasers. Now, if I do make a mistake, sometimes you can erase crayon a little bit, but sometimes it leaves a lot of smudge marks, and we don't want that. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to get started. So let's start with our old friend, the moose. All right, so your moose is gonna be like this. We're gonna draw a circle, and then another circle. And then this part is gonna be the head. This part is gonna be the nose. And then we're gonna draw a little semicircle for his body. And then we're gonna draw his arms, which are just gonna be two skinny rectangles, just like this. And I'm gonna color in his hooves right here, just like that. Okay? And then for his antlers, I'm gonna take orange. Now you can do whatever colors you want. I just think orange and brown look nice together. We're gonna draw 1, 2, 3 bumps and bring it back down like that. And then I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna go up, 1, 2, 3, and then bring it back down, connect it. Now, I'm ready to cut it out, all right? So that's how we draw the moose. Snip, 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 and cut it out. Now for the polar bear, it's very similar. We're gonna draw a big circle for his head, 2 little bumps for his ears, okay? You can add a little black dot for his nose, another big circle for his belly, and then little bumps for his arms like this. Draw his little claw marks, snip, 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 cut everything out. Okay, and then the last one is the Arctic fox. And because foxes in stories are usually like sly, they're a little more pointy. So we're gonna give the fox kind of like a triangle, like an upside down house head, like that. So it's like a square, and then you go in like that. Then we're gonna draw 2 little triangles on top, a circle for the belly, and that's okay because when I cut it out, I can use the other side. So if you make a mistake like this, don't fret, okay? And then just like the bear, we're gonna give him claws. Just like this, drawing 2 little bumps. But a fox, an Arctic fox, has a big fluffy tail. So we're gonna draw like an oval shape and draw a zigzag like that. Okay, so now you cut it out, snip, snap, snap. And then you have your cutout pieces. So here we go. So I have these pre-cut out, all right? And now I'm gonna take my glue, okay? And I'm gonna use this as the head, and I'm just gonna put a little glue right here, okay? And I'm gonna stick the moose's nose right here. And then I'm gonna take my black crown and give him his nose, okay? Then I'm gonna take my antlers and I'm gonna glue the antlers on top like this. Now, if you want them to be behind, you can. You just gotta put it on the front. Like put the glue right here if you want it to be behind, okay? Next, I'm gonna glue on my moose's eyeballs. So I like to use like this type of glue, the squeezy glue for the eyeballs, but if you want to use your glue stick, you can. Both will work just fine. So I'm gonna put my moose's eyeballs on like this. I gave him orange because of his antlers. All right, then I'm going to glue his body like this, just like that. And then I'm gonna glue his arms just like this. Okay. Oh. And then just make sure you press everything down really good so everything sticks. And then your last step, just put some glue on your popsicle stick. And then squeeze it down like this. And then there you go. You got your moose puppet. Hey there, Mr. Moose. All right, so, and then we do the same thing for the polar bear and the Arctic fox. So I'm gonna put the polar bear's head right here. I forgot to do his nose. So I'm gonna do his nose right there. I'm gonna glue on his arms. Okay. And then I'll glue on his eyes. And I wanted to give the polar bear blue eyes. Okay. Oh, as the eyeball tries to stick to me. Okay. Just like that. And then we add the popsicle stick. Put a little glue on. Squeeze it tight. I like to say, hold it and squeeze it for like 30 seconds. Like count to 30. Okay? But because I gotta make sure we're in time, that's good enough for now. So we got Mr. Polar Bear, Mr. Moose. All right, one more. Okay, so then I forgot to give the fox its nose. Okay, and the same thing. Okay, put a little glue on the body. Stick the head on. Put a little glue on the arms at the bottom. And notice that I'm not putting glue on the whole arms. I'm not putting it on the whole body, just where I need to stick it. Okay, because if you put glue everywhere, you're gonna have a sticky mess, and we don't want that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put his tail on this side. And you can put his tail wherever you want, the left or the right, or on the bottom, if you really want. Okay, just like that. And then I'm giving the Arctic fox purple eyes, because I wanted to stick with those cold colors, because purple and blue really feel cold. They're cool colors. Okay. All right, and if you want to add eyelashes or give them glasses or whatever after you glue them on, that's up to you. Okay, and I just add a little glue on my popsicle stick. And there you go. Okay, so there you go. 3 Arctic animals. Okay. All right, so with that being said, I would love to see your Arctic animals. Maybe you do different Arctic animals. Maybe you do different animals altogether. I would still love to see a photo of it. So please send it in to our email address below or tag us on social media. I would love to take a peek at your artwork. All right, well, that's it for today. So I'll see you next time. Peace.